Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April 28th. Your family challenge is to log into Epic and read a book called Origami Pets. And with an adult, you can make origami pets today. And I want you to work with an adult so that you both can make a different one. Now, your family challenge requires origami size paper. If you don't have origami size paper, you can make your own like I did. So I just got computer size paper, and all you do is fold it in half. Okay? When you fold it in half, you'll have a crease, and you're going to cut. You're going to cut on that crease. When you cut on that crease, you're going to end up with 2 equal halves. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a corner, and you're going to fold it up to the edge. Okay? And then you're going to crease it again, and then you're going to end up having a paper that looks like this. You're going to trim off this part. And after you trim off this part, you're going to end up with a perfect square. Okay? And one computer-sized paper can get you 2 origami papers. Okay? So one for you and one for your family member that you're working with. Or you can even make more than 2. Now, don't worry about the crease because most of the origami pets require a crease in the middle anyway. Okay? So have fun making your origami pet. After that, you're going to click the link and watch the story online video of the story called A Tale of Two Beasts. It is a wonderful story. I had so much fun reading it. So it's about a little girl who travels through the forest and comes along a forest critter. And she rescues him. She dresses him. She bathes him. She takes him home. She makes a nice home for him. She's so proud. She even brings him to school. So in her point of view, she loved being with him. Okay? Now, at the other half of the story, what you guys get to read is you get to read the critter's point of view. Okay? And that's what you're going to do today. You're going to be doing point of view. And there's no instructional video, but there is a PowerPoint slideshow. Okay, that's the cover page. The second page I did for you, and this is the instructional part. Okay, so I did this for you from the point of view of the girl. How did she feel being with the forest animal? Well, she believed she rescued him. She gave him a lovely bath, clean clothes, and delicious yummy food. She made a beautiful home for him out of a box, and she worked hard on it. And she even gave him her favorite stuffed animal named Rex. She took him on nice walks, and then she brought him to school because she was just so proud to show him off. So in the point of view from the girl about being with the forest critter are all those things that she felt. Now, so this is done for you. You don't have to do that. You do have to read it. When you're done reading that, you're going to do page 3. You can print this or you can just make your own bubble map. Very simple to make a bubble map. Now, the direction says print this bubble map or make your own. Fill in the forest animal's POV, which is point of view of being with the girl. Think of 5 specific feelings he had. And what did he think of all the things that she did for him? Okay, so think of 5 specific examples. Okay, what was the forest animal's point of view of being with the girl? Okay, so that's your ELA assignment. Next, you have a writing assignment, which is to watch the video on conclusions and then write your own. Okay, so we're almost coming to an end with that writing. And then the last thing you're going to do today is you're going to do math. Okay, you are going to do pages 76 and 77. Okay, so 76 starts here, and then you're going to do the back. Now, these are word problems, and you are going to be, you can show your work any way you want. Let's review this number line chart that I brought from class. You can use the count back strategy. Showing it on a number line. Okay, so look at this problem here. It's 65 minus 17. 17 is kind of a small number, okay? And so we use the count back strategy to represent this equation. We started at 65, we jumped back 10, and then 5 and 2, which is 7. And then from 65, after we jumped back 17, we landed on 48. The answer is 48. The answer was in the landing spot. Okay, the count back strategy is a great one to use when the number you're taking away 17, when the number you're taking away is kind of small, like 17 is kind of small, it's a jump of 10 and then 7 more. Okay, so count back was a great one to use with a problem that had a smaller number that you're taking away. Okay, if you look at the bottom here, okay, let's look at this problem. 87 minus 58. 58 is a kind of a big number. I don't think I want to count back 5 tens and an 8. And so instead of using the count back strategy, we use the count on strategy. Since 58 is kind of big, I started at 58 and I just jumped up to 87. Okay, and the answer, is in my jumps, not my landing spot, because I'm using the count on strategy. Now let's read this. It says count on strategy is good to use when the number you're subtracting is big, like 58. Okay, and it's also a good strategy to use when the number you're subtracting is kind of close to the total. Okay, like how 58 is kind of close to 87. Okay, so you are allowed to use any number line strategy. You can use a count back strategy. You can use a count on strategy when solving your word problems today. Or if you want, you can even use the base 10 strategy if you like that one better. Okay, if you use the base 10 strategy, I do want you to practice it alongside the standard algorithm. Okay, and check your work that way. All right, boys and girls. I hope to see some really cool origami pets today. All right, have fun. Bye.